Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've just finished a series of videos that you might find useful. We've actually done a series on customizing your menu and decorating your menu items with some custom CSS. Custom CSS is a fantastic thing to learn if you want to take your websites beyond what your theme actually gives you and create something original of your own. And in this series of videos, we've done all kind of different menu decorations. I'll show you in a moment. Don't let the coding put you off though. Any code that I've written, I've put below the individual videos, and you're welcome to use it how you wish. So here are a few examples. We've got an underline menu effect. We're using a bottom border. When you hover over it, the underline effect appears. And also, if you actually click on another page, it'll highlight that page. The second one we've got is a double underline and overline here. Similar thing using a top and bottom border. And again, it'll highlight the current page for you. And that's a nice little effect to have on your website right there. Third one we've done is this kind of tab effect, which comes halfway up the header there, and we've got a different color for hover, and again we've got that dark blue selected for the actual current page that we're using. Next one we got is pill shape buttons. Again, we've used a border radius to make the corners of our links rounded there, giving it a nice background color and a hover effect. And again, of course, the page is highlighted, the current page is highlighted there. We've done this sort of neon glow effect here with a dark background menu. It's using a border with a bit of coloured box shadow to emulate a sort of neon glow in the background there. And the current page again is highlighted for us. Next one we got is an inset, using an inset box shadow there. Looks a bit like a button being pushed down. Again, very easy to do with a bit of CSS, but it just adds a little interest to your site there. And of course, again, we've given you the option of having the current page highlight in a similar fashion. Next one we got is a gradient button background here that gives an impression almost like a switch being pushed in from the bottom, and we switch the gradient and it looks like it's rocking there. And again, that's a nice little effect to have on your site, very easy to do with a bit of custom CSS. And of course, like the others, we've given you the option of having the current page highlighted in a different style. Next one we got is a border box. This is pretty common. You see this on quite a lot of sites, and we're using a border to do this and added some padding around our links to get that effect right there. And again, our current page is going to be highlighted with the same effect. Next one we got is a block coloured background that stretches the length of the header there. As you can see, when we hover over it, gives it a background colour and a different colour link. And like all the other ones, you've got the option to have your current page highlighted in a similar fashion. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you learn to do a bit of CSS, you can do pretty much anything you want. And like I say, I've put the code for these below each individual video, and you can manipulate it and change the colors and use it how you will. And there's a playlist down there with all the different menu variations that we've used in this series. So take a look down below and customize your Divi menus to your heart's content. So I hope you've enjoyed that today, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.